Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Yeah, I'm in real life now. This is not like my usual video. In this box is a drone, wherever the zipper is. Specifically, the X-Pac 18 drone right here. It has an air tag on the front because I lost my other one in the giant field. And this one fell in my pool, but it's fine. So I'm gonna put the batteries in and see how it is. So these clip out. It's hard to do without a tripod. I hope this is a good angle. These just go like clip out like this. And then you turn it on. It doesn't make any sound, but this controller does make some sound. So you put your phone in there, and then you can turn it on like that. This drone is only like $50. It's on sale right now. So let's fly it. So it does fly good. You kind of have to adjust it for it to be stable. It has a camera on the front. I'll show you the video it can make. It can actually do pretty good 1080p. Oh yeah, and the best feature, it can do like backflips. So let's see a video from the actual drone. Okay, so I know it's sideways, but it's actually really easy to set up. You just click that. You open the app, you just need to go here, and connect to its little Wi-Fi. You fly, and just wait. Sometimes you need to reconnect. And there we go. So you can see my front yard here. And start recording. And fly it up. So let me calibrate it. There we go. And we're up. So this is what it looks like to do a front flip. You can see it's kind of like glitchy, I guess you could say. That's a side flip. Sorry about the lag. It's gonna be kind of laggy because I'm recording at the same time by recording the drone. So it's kind of laggy. But it's surprisingly stable. I mean, I'm right here and the drone just kind of like sits there, which is cool, I guess. So let me actually like fly it around over here. You can see I can just like fly it over here, fly it around, fly it through there, you know, make it do a flip. When it does a flip, it sometimes just kind of like smacks into the floor. You can also do like, there's multiple speed modes. So there's like speed mode 1, which is like really slow. And then speed mode 2, which is a bit faster. And then speed mode 3, which I use, which is the fastest one, because it's 3. Oh, I can't believe I didn't just crash that. If you actually are like a person who watches my videos, you might have seen a random drone video and random drone video 2, which were actually recorded using this drone. So that's just like a little Easter egg, I guess. So currently if you hear the beeping, it's because I'm just calibrating it. But it's really fun to fly, actually. Like, really fun. You know, you can just like fly it over here, through there, around there. know, just like that. Oh yeah, and auto land. It can auto land, just like that. And let's see if I can maneuver out of this situation here. All right, so I crashed it. It actually has pretty good crash recognition. Like when you crash it actually like senses when you crash it and stops the propellers. Otherwise they could like break. And like something cool, I guess, is like, oh yeah, look, you can spin it around using that little button there. Oops, I just crashed it. And you can see the propellers automatically turned off, which is a cool little feature they added. But yeah, that's about all it can do. Oh yeah, it has auto takeoff and auto landing. I already mentioned the auto landing, but I'll show you the auto takeoff. There's also headless mode, and then you can also just manually calibrate it like that. I'm gonna try and do this trick shot that I've been trying to do for a long time. Yes, let's go. I did that. I did it. Oh my God. Let's go. I can't believe I got that on camera. So when it gets low on battery, it actually disables flipping, which you might find annoying, but I honestly think it's kind of good. The flight time is about 10 mins, which is okay. It comes with 2 batteries. You can get it with 3 batteries if you want, but that's way more expensive. I have 3 batteries because I got multiple drones, because one of them, you know, landed in a field. But yeah. Oh yeah, I can take photos and videos. Obviously, you can take videos, but like, that's the drone. Oh yeah, and packing it up is also really easy. You just kind of close these. Sorry about the camera angle. I'm doing this with one hand while holding my phone in the other. But you just go like, oh my God. Just clip them in. I recommend using 2 hands when you close it. Then the battery, I was confused on how to take it out for a while when I first got it. You actually have to push that and then bring it up and then out. So yeah. And then once you did all that, you can just kind of put in this nice little case it comes with. Yeah, it comes with the case. I don't know if a lot of drones don't, because this is like my first actual drone. All of my other drones were like cheap little toy drones that I got when I was like 1 year old. So then that just slides in there. And then this right here just slides in there. Fold those propellers in. Oh yeah, it comes with extra propellers, a screwdriver, 3 batteries. 3 batteries for the remote, should I say. 2 batteries for the drone. Instruction manual, screwdriver. I think I already mentioned screwdriver. And then, oh yeah, if you like clicky buttons, then this drone is for you. And then you can just kind of zip it up and go on your way. Just packs up in this little case. The charge time is about 120 minutes. I charge it using my computer. It just connects to a little USB into, oh my God. It comes with 1 charger. I have 2 because I lost my other drone. And this just kind of plugs into the back of the battery. Charges for like 120 minutes, it said on the package. And it says it can fly for 10 to 11 minutes, but really it can fly for like 15. Just it gets really slow when it's over 11 minutes. It just goes like really slow, but you can still fly it. So yeah, I highly recommend getting this drone if you want something that is just like really, really fun. But if you break it or lose it or put it in your pool, then it's not gonna like be a waste of $1,000, you know. So yeah, that's yeah. So I think I'm gonna end this video here. I would honestly rate this drone 9 out of 10. If it had a built-in GPS, then it would be like 10 out of 10, 100%. But it doesn't. So yeah. Let me see if I can get a cool bye shot. Bye. Oh my god. Bye. Bye. Bye.